today is special, I think, to our whole country. Very significant part of the very fabric of our daily lives. I think they've been on top of their game for decades now. It comes from my parents really. I don't think there's been a day in my life where my household doesn't have a midday in it. And that says it all really.
Definitely, I think it's definitely my go-to paper in the morning. I think as soon as you wake up, I think everything that's related to my colleagues, to the film industry, everything that's related to my fraternity, I think Midday has always been very updated and very, very reliable, most often very reliable. And I'd like to congratulate them, I think more than anything else, on the new launch and wishing the entire team all the very best.
Yes, it's a new face, it's a new launch, and I wish Midday all the very best. The Jagran family is family. It's a third generation relationship. We're the third generation of this relationship, and it's a very exciting day, and we're all very happy to be here and to celebrate their new avatar.
How do I react to it? Of course, you get a little bit like, acha, let's see what have they written this time. I personally feel that until date, the media has at least they have written quite nice thing about me and very sweet things. And sometimes you hear some stories where you are like, you just tend to laugh to it. It's like.
You learn to live with the devil. Well, I've gotten to get indifferent to certain rumors or certain pieces of news or information which may not have been gotten from the right sources sometimes, and I don't think they're always meaning towards that. It may also be a judgment of error on their part, and sometimes a judgment of error on our part in terms of how we read it or how we look into it. So it cuts both ways, but both the media and both the actors they live a relationship which is hand in hand, and they cannot do without each other. And so I guess they bear our tantrums and we bear theirs.